Hello, I'm Professor Suzanne Liff, and I'm so happy to connect with you today. Those of you who are planning to go to college or heading for college in a very short time, or know somebody else who is. Most students who head off to college think that the most important thing they need is to be very intelligent. If they have a high IQ and strong academic skills, well, that's going to guarantee their college success. But they'd be only partly right. You may be surprised to know that even among the best and brightest, many students fail or step away from school. Only about half the students who begin college persist to finish and earn their degree. So what the heck is going on? What gets in their way? And how can this be different for you? Well, something else is going on. It's kind of like a secret because it's not discussed all that much. And I reveal it to you in a book that I've written called Smarter Than You Think, Accessing Your Personal Powers to Triumph in College. Your personal powers all stem from something called social and emotional intelligence. Your ability to identify and to manage emotions and behavior in yourself and in others. And it's your ticket to a great college experience. In Smarter Than You Think, you'll discover the many ways people are intelligent. Then you'll explore the 6 factors that make up social and emotional intelligence and find out how they support and guide you through every aspect of your college life. From dealing with your amazing new independence and freedom and the possible concerns and worries that come with that, to getting to class on time, to knowing and expressing your needs, setting realistic and exciting goals for yourself, managing all your coursework and getting it in on time, acing those exams, making and keeping really good friends, connecting with your professors, joining in activities and getting involved, coping with disappointments and, hey, an occasional failure, and hanging on and being positive when things may seem tough or even impossible. These capacities will support, guide, and even rescue you during the changes and challenges of college. And the great news is that you can grow and strengthen them along the way. They will partner up with your academic skills to escort you right up to the graduation stage. Come along with me on this journey to explore the competencies of your social and emotional self. See how they will transform the course of your entire college life.